Hey guys, if you have an InSinkErator instant hot water like I have here, I have a filter as well that has to be changed. I'm going to show you how to change it down below. Real easy to do. These filters are easy to exchange and change them out every 6 months. They work perfectly. It helps to offer taste and odor, and it really works well. I've had them for years, and this is the instant hot here, and this is the filter. So let's change it right now. And just pops right off. It's like I told you, a little bit of water will come out, but that's normal. Put it down right over here, and we're just going to pop in the new one. And here's the new one. Basically, just twist them right on, and twist till it locks, and that is it. And that is good to go. Fill it with water, let it run, and then you're good to go for another 6 months. And then after you change it, just run the water. I'm going to look at through there. Let it cycle. Let it filter through the water. Let it run till I wouldn't recommend till it gets cool. And then you're good to go. That changes the filter, clean the lines, and you're good to go for the next. That's why